Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Now today I will teach you how to create a gig on Fiverr very easily. I have prepared all the plans, but I will teach you in a very short video in a very details manner, but in a very short way. Now first of all we will search the keyword on the Fiverr. Now we will search the low competition keyword like skin retouch. Now you can see they say that it is 1300 services available. It means we can create a gig at this topic. I will save this keyword in a notepad file, and I will save the keyword. Okay, now I will click here and I will see, and this is also the keyword high-end retouching keyword. Please remember that please choose a keyword where the services available between 1000 to 3000 services available. Don't choose the keyword where more than 3000 services available. I will save this keyword also in my notepad file. I will save the services available. Now for example, I type online teaching keyword. Now you can see that 1100 services available on Fiverr. This is also a very good keyword, but if you choose logo design, then you can see that 1,36,000 services available. You cannot choose this keyword. It is just for example to show you cannot choose this keyword, so you cannot rank this keyword because already 1,36,000 services available. But you can choose this keyword in a very long tail keyword like beautiful. You can see that 19,000. If you add more keyword beautiful, attractive, you can see that 2000 services available. This is the long tail keyword. Now if I add one more keyword in this keyword, then you can see that 34,000. So you can decrease this keyword. Now in this way you can choose the keyword. You can choose long tail keyword. But if you choose only logo design keyword for your gig title, you cannot rank this keyword and you cannot get orders in this keyword. Now go to our topic. I selected these two keywords because this is the low competition keywords I will use in my title. I will go to this is my new Fiverr account, but remember that you can use one account, Fiverr account on one PC and one internet. You cannot use two accounts in one internet or one PC. Please remember this. If you create two accounts in one PC or one internet connection, then your account may be blocked. I will click here and I will go to the profile and I will go to the gigs. Then I will click create a new gig because I have already created this. I will click this tab. If you will click here create a new gig, then this page will open. You will type your title from here. Very low competition keyword but high search volume and low difficulty keywords. High search volume mean people searches in this keyword, and low difficulty mean it has not more competition in this keyword. So let's start our gig. I will if you choose any category or any keyword, then Fiverr will show you the suggested categories below. Okay, my category is belong to graphics and design, and I suggest Photoshop editing, and then Fiverr will show the suggested keywords according to you. Now I selected retouching and enhancement. Now I will click a file format. I will provide only JPG format. If you want to provide any other formats, and you can click any others formats. Now search tags, you will type here search tags where people search. If you don't know search tags, then you can right click here. I will close these tabs. You right click here and open in a new tab and go to the below. You can see that high-end retouching keywords, model retouch, skin retouching, photo retouching, etc. And you can see that I have opened 3 gigs. You can open first 3 gigs or any 3 gigs which you looks best. Then I will click on the save and continue, and this is the scope and pricing. But you don't know about scope and pricing, you can see others freelancers profile or gigs. You can see that this is the scope and pricing. You can get idea from here. If you don't know about scope and pricing, about this gig pricing or market rate, you can see from here. Okay, but remember that please use a title keyword in your basic, standard and premium offers. These are the 2 offers where you want to provide to the client. If you want to provide only one offer, then you can click here, then the basic option will only basic option will appear. I have selected these options. I typed this description, and I will provide 1-day delivery and unlimited revisions. Revisions mean corrections, and I will provide 1 image in $5. Okay, but you can choose different, you can choose more options. Okay, then add extra services. If you want to give and extra services, for example, if a client want 2 images, then he can use my additional image price. I will provide extra additional image for $1, and I will not provide source file. Source file mean a Photoshop PSD file or any other type file. I will provide only JPG file. If you want to give source file, then you can click here, or if you want to give source file, you can also click here. Then you can save and continue. Click on save and continue, and this option will appear. Briefly describe your gig. If you don't know about description, you can copy any others freelancers description with Control C, and you will go to the website seoreviewtools.com and type here description, and we will check keyword density from here. I will click here and I will click on the perform check. This is the reCAPTCHA. I will click on the click. I will check the keyword density from here. You can see that these keywords have been used in this description. You can Fiverr allows only to the 5 density keyword, but this is the 6.32 density. This is the more density keyword. You cannot use this keyword. You can use this keyword, but cut this keyword one time in your gig, then it may be to the 5%. It may be go to the 5% keyword. Okay, you can change. I have pasted description from here. I have settled this keyword. I will check this description with Control C, and I will type Control V. I will click here, I am not a robot, and perform check. Then after few seconds it will show you the keyword density. You can see that 5.32, it's normal, it's not big. I have settled this keyword in my gig according, because if you don't use keywords, then your gig will not rank, and you can the chances of more orders, you cannot get more orders. Okay, sorry for my English mistakes. My English is not good. I hope my English will also good. I will type here with Control V. But you can remove or add more keywords according to the Fiverr rules. You cannot use more than 5% keywords in your description. And I will click here, and remember that you must use your keyword in your front line and end line, and also in the paragraph. Then your chances to rank your gig become stronger. And now I will set the, I will bold this topic, because it shows to the client that you are serious about your profession and about your services. You must use this setting of the paragraph, bold and highlight and underline. And you can add FAQs. If you have any question about your services, you can ask to the client. And if you don't have any, you can see that if others have added FAQs in the gig, then you can also add FAQs in your gig. And you can see that these are the top freelancers, and they have not added the FAQs. So if you want to add FAQ, then please use title keyword in your FAQs. Now I will click on the save and continue button. Now I have clicked on the save and continue button. Now you have reached at requirements and the 2 steps remaining, gallery and publish. If add a new question, Fiverr is asking add a new question. You can see here questions from here, but there are no questions. I am not seeing any question, but I will add any question. I like my profession and explore the beauty of world. I like my profession, like passion, and explore the beauty of world. And you can type any golden keywords or any beautiful lines or any impressive or attractive and professional lines in this paragraph. Now I will click on the save and continue button, and we have reached second last step, gallery step, and you should to create 3 pictures, and this is the must Fiverr gig requirement. Add 3 pictures and 1 video. If you don't know how to create pictures, then please go to the canva.com and you can create your gigs picture. If you don't know how to create pictures, then I will make a video how to create Fiverr picture, but shortly I am teaching you. Click on the create design and custom design and select Fiverr design, Fiverr size, gig picture size 550 into 370. I will click here. Now it will open a window and you can choose any template from here. I will go to the template. You can choose any template and you can create any gig, any picture. You can create any picture for your gig, but in an upcoming video I will teach you. If you don't know how to create a picture on Fiverr, this is the templates you can edit. Skin retouch, you can create from here, but this is the long topic. I will create video about this topic inshallah very soon. I have created 3 pictures for my gig. I will search here. I think this is extract here. Yes, I have created these pictures, 3 pictures. Now I will upload here. I will click here. This is the front image. I will click here. This is the second image. I will click here. This is the third image, and we can go to the save and continue. I will click here. I will agree, save and continue, and almost there, and publish your gig. I have published your gig. Thanks God. I hope you will pray for me to teaching you a very professional gig, and I pray for you that you will get orders very soon. If you sometimes Fiverr ask questions for English test, and don't worry, it is very easy step. If you feel that Fiverr is asking you any test, any skill test, then please comment me and ask me. I will help you and I will create a video about this topic. So Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.